Hello friends, today we are going to learn a new and very interesting useful topic, that is finding the square root of any number by a simple and easy method. Okay, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel so that you will get the notifications of the upcoming videos. Okay, now let's start the class. This is a very simple method. If there is a if you want to find the square root of 12 here, first we have to know the perfect square roots nearer to 12. Perfect square roots nearer to 12 is below 12 is 9, perfect square root is 9, and above 12 is 16 is a perfect square root. First we have to we can be able to write 12 in the form of 9 and 16, so that our next step will be proceeded. First we have to write 12 in the form of 9 and 16. If we write 12 in the form of 9, it is square root of 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. And if write in the form of 16, it is 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 is 12. Okay, if it is in the form of a plus b, it is in the form of a plus b, so I am writing here the square root of 9 is 3. So first we have to write 3 here, then as it is plus is placed here. If the plus is there, we have to place plus, or if there is a minus, then we have to place minus. So the next step is we have to write 3 as it is, and it will be divided by 2 into this value, 2 into 3, that is 2 3s are 6. So the value is 3 plus 0.5, that is 3.5, which is the approx value of square root 12. If you do by this method also, you will get the same answer. If you see the perfect square root of 16 is 4, I wrote 4 here, then minus, as minus is there, so I am writing minus here again, then I am putting 4 by square root of 16 is 4, so 4 into 2, that is 4 2s are 8. So it is 4 minus 4 by 8 is 0.5, so 4 minus 0.5 is 3.5 again. So both the values are same, not the different. We can do it either by the smallest number, smallest square perfect square root, or the nearest small perfect square root, or the nearest large perfect square root. By seeing you will be getting how this has been done. For simple understanding, simply I am going to give a formula. I am going to write this method in the form of a formula, simple formula. If there is a number x, so we have to find the square root of x here. Then the formula for this is, the method for this is, then we can be we should write x in the form of a plus or minus b, where a will be the nearest perfect square root. It may be the greater or the smaller. If it is smaller, we should place plus here. If it is greater, will be placing minus here, negative symbol. So if there is a number x and we have to find the square root of x, then we should write first of all in the form of root over a plus or minus b. First we have to write x in the form of a plus or minus b, then where a is a condition, where a is a perfect square, nearest perfect square for x. Then the next step is a plus or minus b by root over a plus or minus b by 2 into root a. If you see, root over a plus or minus b by 2 root over a. See here, 12 is the x here, 12 is the x, and A is 9 and B is 3. So root over 9 is 3. Root over 9, root over root over 9 is 3. Then B by 2 root A. B is 3 here, then I place 3, and 2 into root A value is 3. So 2 into 3 6. So the value is 3.5. Next, let us do one more example for your better understanding. I am taking one more example as root over 29 here. So I am writing in the form of root over 29 in the form of square root of 25 plus 4. Okay, A is 24 and B is 4. A is 24, B is 4. I am comparing with the formula. If you remember this, it will be enough to find the any square root of any number. So A is 25 and B is 4. Before going to this, first of all we have to know the square values of at least 15 till 15 numbers, so that it will be very comfortable while doing this method. So please know the values of squares till at least till 15, so that you will be feeling comfortable while doing this method while finding the square root of a number by this method. Okay, I think many of them will know till 10, but by knowing till 15 to 20 also, it is more better to find the values. Okay, 25 is the perfect square root of 5. So I am writing here root over 25 root A plus or plus as there is plus here again, so I am placing plus only here. Then the value of B is 4. The value of B is 4, so I am placing 4 here again. 2 root A, so 2 into root 25. Then what is the value? Root 25 value is 5. 5 square 25, so root 25 value is 5. 5 plus 4 by 2 into 5, that is 5 plus 4 by 10, that is nothing but 5 plus 0.4. The last answer is 5.4. The approx answer for the square root of 29 is 5.4. If you do it in the calculator also, you will be getting the same value. You can go and you can check there. It is the approximate answer for this root 29 value. Let's take one more example. Let's do one more example. That is, I am taking root over 112 as my third example. I am going to solve this example now here. So here the nearest perfect square for this is 100 and 121, as 100 and 121, that is 100 and 121, 10 square and 11 square. So I am writing it as 100 plus 12. Okay, 100 plus 12, I am writing it as 100 plus 12. Then it is as root over first we have to find root over 100, that is 10, plus I am writing directly, I am cancelling this step here. So I am writing root over 100, that is 10. Then B 12 by 2 into root 100 is 10, that is 10. Then I am taking 10 plus 12 by 20. 10 plus 12 by 20. So the value for this is 10 plus 6 by 10. 10 plus 6 by 10, that is 10 plus 0.6, that is nothing but 10.6. This is the approximate value for the root over 112, for the square root of 112. So this is the simplest method by which we can find the square root in a fraction of seconds. Now I am going to solve one more last example here. I am going to solve it directly. I'm going to solve it directly without writing any more number of steps. That is, I'm taking 39 as my example. So 39 can be written as root over 36 plus 3. So 6 plus 3 by 12, that is 6 plus 0.25. The final answer is 6.25. This is the final answer for root over 39. See how we can do the calculations. If you know the square values till 15 to 20, we can find the answers easily and very comfortably. See how simple is this trick. Please like the video. Please add your comment as if you like the video. Share the video. Please subscribe the channel. If you have any type of doubts, please ask those doubts through comments. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.